wild at heart. Trident Adventures is a team of life changers. What we do is we create, we facilitate, and we foster a culture of courage that'll either renew or bring on a new sense of adventure. Listen, I was a Navy SEAL for 16 years. I've done a lot of dangerous things in training, in combat. I've been intimately immersed in a world of evil people with evil intent in evil places. To say I was fearless, I'd be a liar. To answer the question, I'll begin with what courage is not. Courage is not what you do in the absence of fear. Courage is what you do in the face of fear. That is what we did in the SEAL teams, and that's what we do at Trident Adventures. We say to fear, "You will not be my master. I will not be a slave to you. No, I will master you." And we take fear and we confront it face to face, nose to nose, mouth to mouth, eyeball to eyeball. At Trident Adventures, my greatest joy is being a part of people's lives as they overcome their fears. Let me tell you what I don't do. I do not instill in our guests the ability to overcome their fears. Rather, I simply draw it out of them what they always had within themselves. Everyone's got it within. Sometimes it just takes a bit of a reminder or a little push. These are uncertain times, but they're only uncertain because people allow fear to rule the day. Stop it. Make a different decision. A great man named Chris Valentin once said, "Courage is fear that said its prayers." So live courageously. My name is Stephen Kaplan. I'm a retired Navy SEAL and the owner of Trident Adventures. Come join us as we say no to the fear-mongers of our day. I'm not talking about politics. I'm not talking about COVID. I'm not talking about those people out there. I'm talking about that fear-monger that lives within you. The little voice that you argue with and submit yourself in your mind and in your heart. The one that has reduced your life by stealing your freedoms, your joy, and your passions, and limited your life to accommodate its life-sucking force from the very core of who you are. Be wild and adventurous at heart. Please share this message with others if it has inspired you. Even if you never come to Trident Adventures, that's okay. Share this message with someone that you think it'll encourage them. Remember, on the other side of fear is that person that you actually want to be. And a hoo-yah from the SEAL teams.